Hello everyone, this is A. Pradap, Assistant Professor of English, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Let us see the famous short story, The Rocking Horse Winner, written by D.H. Lawrence. David Herbert Lawrence was born on September 11, 1885 in Eastwood, Nottinghamshire, Central England. He was one of the eminent writers in 19th century. His famous works appreciated by all over the world. Let us see the important characters of the short story The Rocking Horse Winner. Paul, a young boy who notices that his mother doesn't love him and his sisters even though she adores them. Next character name is Hester. He is a Paul's mother. She becomes dissatisfied with her marriage when she finds that her husband is not lucky and doesn't make enough money. Next character name is Bassett, the family gardener and friend. He gets Paul into horse racing and later becomes betting partners. Next one of the important characters, Oscar Creswell. Paul's uncle provided the money that Paul used to make his first win at the horse race, signed the lawyer papers in order for Paul's mother to receive £1,000 at a time on the mother's birthday for the next 5 years. Oscar becomes partners with Paul and Bassett. Next to Paul's father, man who works in town and has promising prospects that never seem to materialize because, as his wife says, he is unlucky. Next one is Miss Wilmot, the family nurse. Next one is Paul's siblings, two young sisters, one named Joan and the other unidentified by name. Next one of the chief artist character, she is a woman who sketches drawings for newspaper advertisement placed by drapers. Hester works for her to make extra money. Let us see the short story briefly. The Rocking Horse Winner is one of D.H. Lawrence's most popular short stories with social commentary and a pinch of supernatural. It follows the short and tragic life of a boy named Paul who thinks that he has an amazing luck by predicting race horse winners. The Rocking Horse Winners focused quite a bit on the relationship between a mother and her son. As the story begins, we are introduced to Hester, a woman who lives with her husband, two daughters, and a son in a nice neighborhood. Hester is dissatisfied with motherhood and feels that she needs more money in order to maintain a luxurious living. The children also sense their mother's desire for more wealth. They can hear the house whispering about money. One day, Paul asks his mother why that they don't have a car of their own like their uncle Oscar. The mother explains that Paul's father has no luck and is unable to make much money. This makes Paul determined to prove that he is unlucky to his mother. Paul starts to spend a lot of time riding his rocking horse. He believes that if he rides the horse long enough, it will take him where he can find luck. Paul's sister Joan and his name Nanny are invited by his rocking horse habit, but Paul is certain that it will take him to luck. One day, on seeing Paul's horse ride, Uncle Oscar comments that he is too old to ride the rocking horse. But soon Uncle realizes that Paul has an unexceptional talent of naming his rocking horse by the name of the winning horse in horse race. Thereby, Uncle comes to know about the partnership between Bassett, a gardener, and Paul. Later, Uncle also joined in the partnership of horse racing. Paul tells his uncle that he has kept £20 in reserve by lotting on horses and uses only £300 to bet on a horse. Paul has planned to bet £300 on Daffodil in the upcoming horse race. Paul's luck works, but Daffodil wins the horse race. Thereby, Paul decides to present £5,000 to his mother through bank. Paul now prepares himself for winning his upcoming derby. So he starts riding his rocking horse to bet on and begins to lose money. Paul collapses with a brain fever to screaming Malabar 2 days before the race. So Oscar and Bassett put money on Malabar. On the third day, Bassett informs Paul that Malabar has won the race and he has now made £80,000 totally. Paul is overjoyed, but the excitement is too much for him and he dies that midnight. After Paul's death, Uncle tells Hester that she has lost a poor devil of a sin, but in exchange he gained lightly £1,000 in Paul's winning. His uncle explains that Paul is better off dead anyway and he is best gone out of your life, where he rides his rocking horse to find a winner. I hope that you could have understand this short story. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you once again.